Hey darlings, let's take a tour of my stateroom on board my Disney Dream Cruise. We booked a veranda, which means the room comes with its very own balcony. So once the rooms are ready, which is usually around 1:30 or so, you'll find your room key at the door. We were in room 7660 on deck 7. The room key, better known as the Key to the World card, also acts as your ID, credit card, etc. during your cruise, so you'll be carrying it everywhere. Okay, so once you enter, the bathrooms are to the left and the closets are to the right. Here's our queen size bed, which is quite comfy. There's a sofa bed and a little coffee table. That's the balcony, which I'll show you guys in a second. Here are some cabinets, drawers, and shelves for storing your belongings, some outlets to charge your electronics, a chair. There's a TV where you can also find important announcements. Okay, let's check out the balcony. There's 2 chairs and a small table. Nice to sit out here, relax, and just enjoy the ocean breeze. Also a good place to hang your swimsuit to dry off and stuff like that. As you can see, we are still docked at Port Miami. From here, you get a great view of downtown Miami. Here's a view of the room from the other side. I think it's pretty cozy and spacious for a cruise ship. Alright, so here we have more storage space as well as some glass cups. Okay, onto the closets. There's 2, which is nice. Plenty of room to hang your clothes. On top, you'll find a life vest in case of emergencies. Here's the second closet. There's a mini safe for your valuables, a laundry bag if you decide you want to take advantage of the laundry service. Again, plenty of hangers, some more life vests on top. Okay, so one of my favorite things is that there are 2 bathrooms, which is super handy when it comes to saving time since you can split up bathroom time. So this is the one with the shower. There's a mirror, towels, a sink, tissue. Disney Cruise Line uses the H2O product line. Here's some body lotion and a facial soap bar. Okay, so most importantly, let's see what the shower situation is. It's tub style. In case you're wondering, the water pressure is on point. They provide shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Here's the other bathroom. Pretty standard. You get your toilet, toilet paper, a sink, a mirror, tissue, more towels, and hand soap. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this room tour and that it's helpful if you're planning a future Disney cruise. What do you guys think of the Verandah Stateroom? Let me know in the comments below and stay tuned for more Disney content as well as other travels.